Skilled trades. Are you a hands-on learner who loves working with tools and creating tangible results? Skilled trades might just be your calling. Dive into the world of plumbing, where you'll master the art of installing and repairing water systems, ensuring homes and businesses have access to clean water. If you're intrigued by circuits and wiring, electrical work could be your path. Become the expert who brings power to homes and buildings, ensuring lights glow and devices hum with energy. Carpentry awaits for those who have a knack for woodworking. Craft furniture, build structures, and bring architectural visions to life with your skillful hands. If the fusion of metals excites you, welding might be your forte. Welders are the sculptors of metal, joining materials to create sturdy structures and intricate designs. Automotive mechanics are the magicians of cars. Unlock the secrets under the hood, diagnosing, repairing, and fine-tuning vehicles to keep them running smoothly. Ready to kickstart your journey? Skilled trades offer apprenticeships and on-the-job training, allowing you to learn and earn simultaneously. Choose your path in the world of skilled trades and become a master of your craft. Let's build, create, and shape the world together. Watch more career guidance videos with Skills Passport.